Hey seniors, welcome back. It is time to do your quarter two Naviance task. This quarter we will be working on searching for scholarships, something that all of you will need if we're planning to go to college or tech. So just like usual, we will have you log in with Clever using your laptop login and password, finding your Naviance icon, and taking you to your student homepage. Go down to your important to-dos and tasks, and you should see scholarship search. This will take you to your planner and find that pink arrow and go over to the search for scholarships. This will bring you to a database of scholarships that they have populated for you. So as you can see, there's 59 scholarships that are out there for you to look at. However, you are able to filter it. So of course, make sure you do 12th grade, and it should pop up all scholarships that are eligible for 12th grade seniors. Another thing I would take a look at is the deadline. So make sure when you filter it so you know what's coming up next. So you can see there's multiple different scholarships that are available. If you click on each one, it should show the requirements, if there's any additional requirements, and it should give you either the direct application form or the direct website to complete that application. So please make sure as you're scrolling through, you look at the qualifications to make sure you meet the criteria. So this one has a 3.0 GPA requirement, no essay, and no service requirement. So if that is you, go ahead and visit this website and apply directly to this scholarship. Again, I would make sure you filter it so you can see by what due date is coming up next, and make a list of all the scholarships that you're eligible for and cross off your list once you've complete one, and then just move on to the next one. Some of them may require teacher recommendations or just a letter of reference. So I would go ahead and ask a teacher, a counselor, your advocate, an employer, a coach, somebody to go ahead and write you a letter of recommendation and let them know that you are applying for scholarships, and see if they would be willing to do that for you, so you could submit it with scholarships who request a letter of reference. So this is one way that you can search for some scholarships and help build some money towards saving for school for next year. If you have questions or comments or concerns, please feel free to email the College and Career Center staff. All of our emails, again, are in our Google Classroom. If you have specific questions that can be answered through email, we can respond directly, or you can schedule an appointment using our Calendly link that is also listed in the Google Classroom.